Hello and welcome back. Today I'm gonna share my recipe of lemon blueberry bread. So you're gonna want a large bowl. You're gonna need a 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar. Then you will add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 2 eggs. You want them to be at room temperature, so let them sit out for a little while before you make your bread. And you will need a beater. You don't want to mix it up too much. Then in here I have 1½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt, and we'll put it into our mixture. You're gonna want to add your milk slowly to this. I got some frozen blueberries here. You'll need 1 cup of blueberries. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon peel. If you don't have lemon peel, you can use lemon zest or lemon extract. And spray your pan. It's going to be an 8x4 pan. A rubber spatula for this. And my oven is preheated at 350 degrees. You're going to want to bake it for 60 to 70 minutes. It's been on the oven for a couple minutes now. I'll show you. That's what it looks like. I have the glaze here. It's 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of sugar. You're going to want let your bread cool for a couple minutes before you put your glaze on. And that's the finished product. It looks so yummy.